Concrete beam. Video 1. Geometry and material. With concrete beam, continuous concrete beams can be analyzed and designed according to the ultimate and the serviceability limit state. At start of the program, the correct national annex to the Eurocode should be defined, and we have in this case chosen the Swedish annex. In a number of instructional videos, we will go through how to specify the input and interpret the results. We start with the option Input and go to Title. Here, the data about this project is specified that will be displayed at the header of each page in the printout. With the option Convert Code Version, one can easily switch between the various annexes included in the program. Besides the Swedish, also the British, Danish, Finnish and Norwegian annex are available, as well as the standard values available in the code. Under the option Geometry are 3 tabs: Span Geometry, Cross-Section and Support. We begin with Span Geometry, where we define 3 spans with a length 7 meter, 8 meter and 6 meter. We define the left support as fixed and the right as hinged. Under the tab Cross-Section, the beam shape and current measurements are defined. Available section types are rectangular, T-section, solid slab, rectangular with variable web, and T-section with variable web. We chose in this case a rectangular section with width 400 millimeters. The height can vary between the spans, but we choose a uniform height of 700 millimeters. Under the tab Support, the width of the supports are specified, and possible spring stiffness representing columns connected to the beam from below and or above. We assume in this case support 2 and 3 to be connected to columns from below with dimension 300 by 300 millimeter and a length of 3 meter from the bottom, and we specify the length to 300 millimeter and the stiffness to 25,000 kilonewton meter. And we do the same for support number 3. Like this. We then move on to material. In this box under the Material tab is, for example, the environment by exposure class and the structure's lifetime by the life class defined. We can also specify the concrete and the reinforcement quality. In this case, we select the exposure class XC3, life class L100, and this T ratio lower than 0.5. As concrete, we choose C3037, and we keep the reinforcement quality D500. There are also some options that will increase allowable material values. What is required for these to be activated is described in the Eurocode 2. There is also an opportunity to study the values of the selected material or to create user-defined materials by defining the current values.